Hello, everyone. Welcome to video 4 of our English language course. In this video, we are going to talk about the future tense, specifically focusing on the future simple tense using will and the going to form. By the end of this video, you'll be able to understand when to use will and when to use going tos when talking about future events. Let's dive in. First, let's start by understanding when to use will and when to use going to. 1. We used will for spontaneous decisions or offers. For example, if you are with a friend and decide to make a sudden offer, like "I will help you with that." This decision was made at the moment of speaking. 2. On the other hand, going to is used when we are talking about plans and intentions that have already been made. For example, she is going to travel next week. This action was planned in advance. 3. Will is also used when we are predicting future events without any present evidence. For example, it will be hot tomorrow. This is based on our belief or general knowledge, not on concrete evidence. Lastly, going to is used when we have evidence or certainty about something that is going to happen. For instance, if you see dark clouds, you might say, "It is going to rain." The dark clouds are evidence that it will rain. Now let's focus on predicting future events. When we want to predict something based on belief or opinion, we usually use will. For example, "It will rain tomorrow," or "I think he will pass the exam." In these sentences, the speaker is making a prediction based on what they believe, but not on evidence that they can see. Next, let's talk about using going to for plans and intentions. Going to is commonly used for actions that have already been planned or decided before the moment of speaking. For example, she is going to travel next week. This action has been planned in advance, and it's something we are sure about. Another example could be, "We are going to visit our friends tomorrow." In this case, we already made the decision, and it's a part of our plan. Let's now look at a few more examples to see how will and going to are used in real situations. I will call you later. This is a spontaneous decision made at the moment of speaking. I am going to start a new project next month. This is a planned action that has already been decided. It will probably snow this weekend. This is a prediction, but not based on any specific evidence. She is going to bake a cake for the party. This shows an intention, something she has already planned to do. In summary, remember to use will for spontaneous decisions and predictions not based on evidence. Use going to for plans that have already been decided or when there's evidence that something will happen. That's it for today's lesson. I hope you now have a better understanding of how to use the future simple tense with will and going to. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.